everyone, you are welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I'll be taking you down the process of how to how to fill your cakes, how to sandwich it, crumb coating and trimming. So I really want you all to stick around with me in this video to learn one or two things from me. Also, before I proceed, let me quickly just appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel, and for your likes, for your support, and your comments. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining my tribe members. So you guys, thank you so much. All right, so like I said, in this video it's all about cake, how to fill your cakes, and how to crumb coats and the likes. So right here now, I'm actually trying to fill my cakes, and the white frosting I used whipped cream to for this particular one, and the yellowish one is called lemon curd. I use lemon curd for this one. And guys, I want to really make people understand that if when you're using fillings for your cakes, you don't have to put too much fillings, because if you do that, definitely the filling, by the time you start layering cakes on top, the fillings will start coming out. Now if you watch the video, you could tell that you could tell that there's not like fillings coming out from my cakes. This is because I controlled it. I control it just so as not to allow too much of and the fillings to pop out on the layers of my cake. So if you are experiencing such things, you need to control the pressure. Whatever frosting you're using, try to control the pressure. Do not put too much. Whatever, maybe probably you're using buttercream or whipped cream, try to minimize it. Okay, so when you try to go round, your filling, whatever fillings you're using, should be in the center. For this particular video, I used caramel sauce. I used lemon curd as well. So you can use any type of fillings you have. You can use chocolate ganache. You can use strawberry fillings. You can use butter. I don't mean the regular butter icing, because to me that one is no longer filling, just regular butter icing. You can use sweet vanilla buttercream. It's also a filling as well. So you can see the way I'm going round now. Can you see, guys? See the way I'm going round. So when I go round, you see that particular center, as in, I don't the first thing itself, we help to help protect my lemon curd from coming out. Do you understand, guys? So if you're trying to fill your cakes, make sure that the icing or the frosting should protect whatever filling you're using. Now if you look at this video now, the whipped cream I used is protecting my lemon curd, so that it will not pop out while I layer another cake on top. So do you understand? And secondly, guys, when you overfill your cakes, and then while on transit, the cake collapses. This is because your filling is too much. If you look at this video now, there's no how you can't even tell probably my filling is coming out from the cake. No, this is because I understand the process, and I had to control the pressure. So if you keep on overfilling your cakes, one major mistake that can even cause cake accidents, or cake collapses, because probably you overfill your cakes. So this is one reason that could make cake collapse while on transit. So make sure that you reduce, you don't try to add too much fillings. Yeah, they are quite good. Fillings is actually good. It makes it makes your customers feel the taste of your cakes, and even the taste of the fillings that you're giving for them. Cakes, fillings is actually really good for cakes. You understand? So, but if you're doing that, always have in your mind that this cake will be on transit, and if your fillings are excesses, definitely it could collapse. And also try to dowel your cakes, just like what I'm doing now. I'm actually trimming the cakes. By the time I'm done with my filling, I have to trim the cake. You understand? So you dowel your cake. You could use kebab stick to insert in the center of your cake, so that it could hold it it could hold it firm from collapsing while on transit. Okay, so that's the trimming aspect, and that's all about the cake filling. You understand? So I just want to show you guys, it's not just all about putting fillings on your cakes without understanding the process of the do's and the don'ts. It has its own tricks, and if you don't know how to go about it, you could be experiencing some difficulties why filling your cake. So I'm actually doing the final crumb coaches. I'm actually doing the crumb coating about like on the cake. So guys, I hope you all understand the essence of this cake filling of it, how to use it to how to put it on your cake, the sandwiching and the crumb coating. Now I'm just doing crumb coating, and and that's all about it for the cake. So guys, you can watch to the end of the video to see how I finish up with the crumb coating aspect. So I hope you all understood this simple or little explanation. Please, if you do, kindly hit the subscribe button to get more video tutorials. If you're watching me for the first time and you've not subscribed, please support me by clicking the red subscribe button so as to get more videos. You can see how stabilized and how stiff my whipped cream is. I can tell you that this people will not even melt, even with this hot weather right now. We are in summer, and the weather is so hot. I guarantee that these people will not even melt. Okay, right. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Please like my video, drop nice comments. Whatever thing you want me to teach you, please, you can actually drop it in the comment section, and I'll definitely look at it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more video tutorials. For those that have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me, and I do not take it for granted. So in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video, and have an amazing time while learning. Bye, guys.